see, this is the 9th episode, I'm pretty sure. Let's get right into it. I've been just cranking these out, grinding these episodes out, because something to do. I don't know what to do right now, because it's the pandemic. Let's get into it.
Niner, mayday, mayday!
Some sort of crash.
Davis, you still with me? Davis, come on, Davis, talk to me!
Frank, you okay?
Shit, my leg, I'm bleeding. I need some help here! How are you on the thing? Shit, they're coming!
Something I realized, all these Vietnam are all like February 1968. They're all like the same
We gotta
time.
get out of here. This
I'm
is my.
pretty sure like a couple of them are the same day. So
We're going under, Mason.
oh yeah, this is a cool mission. Forgot about this mission. He's back.
16, 23, 4, 22,
Nice.
Stay sharp, Mason. They're out there.
For the M1911 being like that main pistol of the game, and it being on the box cover, and starting pistol and zombies, and the most famous like pistol in Call of Duty. And this is like it's the BO1, the M1911 is best in Black Ops. It's like not in the campaign much. You just don't use it much. It's the only mission where you actually get to use it, and it's like a short, like a while and you get to use it. But you don't have it at all.
Sergeant Woods is very capable. You have chosen your men well, Mason. I will move to high ground to look for Krashenko's compound.
Understood. Stay close, Victor.
Lima, Niner, X-Ray. This is Whiskey. You out there?
Yeah, Whiskey, go.
Woods. Thought we lost you in that chopper. What's the new plan?
You clear the southeast perimeter and meet us at the rally point.
Roger. Whiskey on the way. Over. Glad you're still in the game, Woods.
The rally point is just ahead. Bowman should be waiting for us. No noise, knife only.
Poppin' Woods. Gotta sneak attack these foes. We'll go ahead and start doing it. Nice. What? They're not going to be covered in blood. It looks completely clean. It doesn't look like they went through water. Well, oh well.
Hey, Charlie.
That should be covered in freaking blood.
Never gets old.
Damn, you psychopath. Bowman. Ice
Mason,
Cube, what
fill
are
us
you
in.
thinking? Absolute psychopath.
Somewhere near this village is a military outpost under the command of General Kravchenko.
Been losing our FAC to AAA.
Probably a CPU. We'll disarm it, then we'll bring in the Hornets. Whiskey team, you cover the bridge in East River. Mason with me on the west perimeter. Rendezvous point, the village, in 5 minutes. You got it?
Whiskey team, on me. Later, boys.
Onwards with you. the arms are a little glitchy in this mission because we're swimming and I have like 90 FOV on because it's just way better than like 60. That's why it kind of adjusts. I have a command key.
Clear D's bank, moving to the bridge. Sierra's at the north perimeter.
Nice. Knife isn't even bloody. Oh. No, I screwed up. Let's do like a takedown.
X-rays clearing the west flank. ETA 3 minutes.
Explosives are primed and ready.
Sierra in
One
position.
thing I always found
Whiskey
funny about
ready.
this mission
Roger.
now,
X-ray
the amount of
inbound.
weapons he just has curing in his ass. Like the amount of weapons he'll just like pull out throughout the mission. Like you'll see. Hi chickens. Or those turkeys. Those are turkeys. You know what?
You got that detonator?
I
Right
couldn't
here.
kill him. Watch this. Is about to pull up someone. Yeah, he really just
Weapons free! Keep your eyes open for that CPU!
Yep, a sniper out of his ass. And he also had the N1911 and the
Keep your head down!
And I'm pretty sure he pulled out
Contact
a
on the roof!
Magnum.
Drop him! Let's go, Mason! On me!
This camo.
Watch near that bridge! We're clear! Move! Move!
My lid.
Mason, get in position!
Okay, I'm just gonna take this. Oh no.
He's down!
I'm sorry.
Watch him roll! Eyes left, Mason! Take those bastards out! Spider hole! Try to hit the roof! You're gonna need that
Alex
spider
Mason.
hole!
The man of war crimes, my god.
Hand on!
Tango down. Reloading. Cover me.
1010, this is Whiskey. We got CPU on the river.
Mason! Move it, brother!
Who are you talking to?
Charlie on the right!
Just had to save your ass, Sergeant Thompson. Christ, you should get that dead body. I mean, I'm done. I don't know how to put to an NPC to do it.
You need more firepower!
Take it out.
Johnson!
Once the
bring
air
up that
defense is down, we
202
bring the horn.
He
On
got
my way.
CPU on the river! Damn it! Mason! Get to that 202! I'm pinned down! Next to the hut on the river. You see it? Charlie don't want to let that gun go. Look at those fuckers move.
All right, let's hit it.
Mason! Use the 202!
Oh my, I should have thrown the grenade back. Let's get a random grenade tossed to me, goddamn.
1010, this is Whiskey. We got CPU
That's
on
what
the
I'm
river.
saying.
Mason! Move it, brother!
Or I'll probably just kill them now.
Charlie on the
You
right.
need more firepower! Check it out! Bring up that 202 flag! Get
on
that
my way.
CPU on the river! Damn it! Mason! Get to that 202! I'm pinned down! Next to the hut on the river. You see it? Charlie don't want to let that gun go. Look at those fuckers move.
All right, let's hit it.
Mason! Use the 202! 1-0. Nexus empty. Objective clear.
The dial.
Leaving 9
Nice.
X-ray.
Two.
Kentucky, Greenhorn is
Shit's
inbound.
out.
Keep your
Clear.
shit tucked. We are coming in hot. Sierra's at the north perimeter. Sierra's cleared the north perimeter, moving to the village.
Left flank. Target's on the
Sierra's in
roof.
position.
Got it.
Nice.
Man, someone drop a nade in the hole.
We got it.
Contact down! I'm down! I'm on it!
Yeah, that's right. Shit.
Target down!
Dock is clear! Move up!
We're gonna cut through this hut. Mason, lead the way. Clear the rest of the village. Mason, over here. MD, take cover!
You're like way ahead of the woods. Open it. What are you doing?
Contact! Push through! Let's go! Mason, make sure that hooch is clear.
Rat tunnel up ahead.
I see you. Charlie, 9 o'clock!
Hostile down! He's down!
Rat tunnel up ahead.
I see it.
Like, watch, he's about to pull a magnum out of his ass.
Burn a hole! We have to clear this tunnel.
Oh my god.
Take it. Swift, with me.
All right. I'll get the Hornets scouring the area.
Swift
Lima
not
9,
like
this is
Swift has
X-ray.
an
Prep for
AK.
recon sweep, 3K radius.
Roger that, X-Ray.
Apparently he does.
Here, take this.
The numbers.
Stay on it. We'll find your Kravchenko. We'll make it out of there alive. Bowman, point. Let's move.
The numbers, dude.
This son of a bitch ain't fighting no more.
Keep that light steady, Mason.
Oh, he already pulled his magnum out of
Reznov.
Rez.
He took a bullet.
No one fights alone. I will work my way around.
All right. We'll move quietly.
What the fuck's wrong with you?
I don't know what's wrong with you, Swift. What are you saying? What kind of name is Swift?
Mason, you gotta keep your shit together.
Dudes, come in.
Go ahead, Mason.
Swift's dead. We got VC crawling all over.
Human area, sweeping the area. No
What?
For him to kill.
You monitor. Shit.
Rats. Shut up. Shoots their arm off. I don't think this is that. It's a 357. I don't think it's that powerful. They can just shoot.
Where is
shoot
your
their arm
friend,
off.
Swift?
Dead.
We will mourn him later, Mason. There are signs of Soviet presence in these tunnels. We are on the right path. Here! Help me move this.
Of course, Reznov.
Careful, Mason. I hear the enemy.
Shit. Reznov. Nice. Reznov sure knows what he's fucking doing.
Your turn, my friend. I will follow.
I think I've ever went through this way.
We are getting close, Mason.
Yeah, I don't think I've ever went through another way, so that's what I'm gonna do. That's why you would go in a different way. And so you can flank them. Okay,
Which way, Reznov?
this Magnum
your
is
instincts,
powerful, but it isn't that powerful. 357, it's not gonna shoot their arm off. The Desert you could even shoot their arm off like that. Okay, I think I shot his balls off right there. And his hand.
This is it. Kravchenko's full combat.
Okay, now I definitely shot his balls off.
It looks abandoned.
Kravchenko anticipated our arrival.
And left in a hurry.
Look around.
February 4th, 1968.
Shit.
Stabilizing agents supplied by Dr.
Quick, grab the
Clark
documents, Rex.
have
We're
met
leaving.
with much success. Field tests on the local population have shown this to be the most effective strain of
Shit.
Go! Go!
Kurchenko had the place wired to blow. X-ray, do you monitor? Damn it!
Honey Mason! I do not wish this rat hole to become my prey!
Mick, what the fuck happened? We're seeing fire from the tunnels. Where the hell are you? We'll maintain a holding pattern so we have eyes on...
Wait, I'm just, okay. I didn't know I had to keep moving. Thought I was gonna do the sequence, I'm an idiot.
on the local population have shown this to be the most effective strain of Nova 6.
Shit.
Go! Go!
Kurchenko had the place wired to blow. X-ray, do you monitor? Damn it!
Honey Mason! I do not wish this rat hole to become my grave!
Mick, what the fuck happened? We're seeing fire from the tunnels. Where the hell are you? We'll maintain a holding pattern so we have eyes on.
We will have to claw our way out of here! Dig, Mason! Dig!
Alright,
Shit!
DC, Mason!
this is a shorter mission.
Where are you, Woods?
There's not really handling it. Come on.
Come on!
Shit. Like cliche, jump.
Let's get the fuck out of here!
Is that mission that short? I don't remember it being that short.